Hey, today we are going to talk about My Lead System Pro, the lead gen campaigns, and talks about groups, posting in groups, 2 to 3 groups per day. And this is step number 6 of getting started. This is such an easy thing to do. You can just come in here. Once you get your membership for $1 for a 30-day trial, come in here and let me show you this again because we're in another spot. So you'll log in, you'll come in here to start here. Simple start. You will pick whether you are affiliate marketer, network marketer, or traditional business and go through step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do the activities in each step till you get done. Okay. Don't move to the next one until you finish it. Okay. So step number 6 is sharing these lead gen campaigns in 2 to 3 groups per day.
Welcome back, and in this video, we're going to show you how to take the lead generation campaigns to the next level to get even more leads for your business by leveraging Facebook groups. This is a very simple task that can take less than 15 minutes per day and can prove very profitable for your business. Let's dive in. So we're essentially going to do the same thing that we did in the last video that was on your personal profile, but this time we're going to find some targeted groups to share this knowledge, share this value, share this information with to see if we can get some leads, some people reaching out to us in some of these groups that they're out there. There are people in tens of thousands of groups with tens of thousands and in some cases hundreds of thousands of people that are in your target market. Again, you're not going to do this every single day for the rest of your life. This is just to get the ball rolling and to show you that there are people out there who want what you have to offer. And for right now, in this start here, we're using our lead generation campaigns because they're done for you and every single entrepreneur wants and needs this information. In the very near future, in MLSP, you'll be creating your own stuff, your own lead magnets, your own value, your own downloads, and your own information and funnels and branding. And this is the first step. We want to get you out of the gate running to get leads quickly with this start here. So let's go ahead and hop on over to Facebook. And we're just going to put up here, in this example, let's just stick with network marketing, home business. Now, of course, my goodness, there are groups on everything from weight loss, health and wellness, to beauty products, to oils, to travel, to fill in the blank, financial, insurance, real estate, whatever. There are thousands of groups with countless members in these groups. So your target market is out there. There are groups out there and there are people talking about the benefits and wanting the benefits of your products and services. So let's just we'll just put a network marketing and we're gonna go to groups up here. You see this tab? And there are a ton of groups. Let's take a second. I'll just find one real quickly. Okay, let's check out this one. Look, we've got 52,000 members in a group called network marketing. Feel free to, and this is important, feel free to post your ads, blog posts, business opportunity, and questions. Let's check this out. You do want to make sure before you post anything in any group, now I'm not in this group yet, I'd have to click this button to join a group and there may be some questions or I might get approved immediately, but you would click here to join the group because this is a group that has a ton of our target market in it. But before we post anything, you want to click on the See More tab and feel free to add your friends if you don't follow these. Okay, English only, no porn, no weird animal vids, no tagging people, 1 post a day. All these groups will have some type of regulation or rules, something in it where the owner, the group founder, the group creator, they want you to follow these rules. Some don't want you to post any ads or any type of lead magnets or any type of business opportunity. And you need to abide by those rules or you're going to get kicked out. This one, we're allowed to post your ads, blogs, biz ops, questions, feel free to add your friends, etc. So in this start here step, all you're going to do is find 10 groups. Find 10 groups with a good amount of people, 1,000, couple thousand, 10, 20, 100,000 people in them that is, in this case, direct sales, home business, network marketing, entrepreneur, those types of things where they do allow ads. And these are sometimes referred to as spam groups. And I'll be honest, you're not going to get the best quality leads, but you will get leads. And this is a good step. And this is, you're learning the process. This is the first phase of the MLSP framework, which is the social media networking and prospecting. You'll learn more about the creating your own content, building a personal brand, and of course, ads and scaling and automation. And just, this is where, again, we are in the start here. And we want to get you a result quickly. The advanced features and the advanced branding and content creation is coming, but right now your next steps are to find 10 groups. This will take less than 15 minutes a day once you get this dialed in, and you already know what you're going to post right here. It's the exact same thing. Now each day you're gonna take 15 minutes or so to pop around in these groups, and you might find over time 20, 30 groups you can do this with. You can outsource this in the future. Right now just find 10 and create a message very similar to this. We'll just use this example because you already have this on your profile if you're following along, and I know that you are. So literally just copy and paste this, right? Maybe modify it or edit it slightly in each of the groups, right? Maybe change the different GIFs or the image that you tag to it, but it's the same kind of call to action. If you want access to this training, give me a yes below or send me a direct message and I'll give you free instant access to this amazing training. That's the call to action. And if you're brand new to the group, maybe you put something up here. Hey, I'm brand new to this network marketing group and I'm excited to connect with all of you. And you could literally just say, that's it. I just got access to an amazing training that reveals how to get 9+ red hot leads per day without spending a dime on ads. No tech skills required. Call to action. This is the exact same type of post you can post in some of these groups. We're giving you 10 groups to find, 10 groups that have individuals, business owners, entrepreneurs, home business owners, those types of marketers, those types of, that's the target market in this example. All of our lead generation campaigns talk about how to generate more leads for their business. So in light of time and getting you through this start here quickly and getting you through the process and getting you a result, leads within 24 hours, just take this exact post that you created and share that in 10 relevant target targeted groups. Tomorrow you can rinse and repeat. You can choose a couple of different groups. You can choose a different campaign, a lead generation campaign to share and talk about. This should take you less than 30 minutes. And when you get good and fast and acclimated to this process, less than 15 minutes a day. And again, you're not doing this every single day for the rest of your career, just to do this now, to get out there and get leads to talk to about your products, your opportunity, your services, and start creating some momentum, some conversations, and some sales and profits. And if they're open to an opportunity, boom, great. You send them over to your presentation. And if they want to learn how to leverage the internet to generate leads for their businesses, boom, they can check out MLSP and you can get paid that way as well. So go find 10 groups right now, put in some type of home business entrepreneurial keyword for this example, for this step, and simply go to groups, rinse and repeat. Go find your 10 groups now and share that post, share that training, share that value with other home business owners who would be excited and want to actually consume this content and want to actually connect and say thank you. Go do this action step now. All right, you're doing awesome, my friend. Make sure you complete your top earner action items below. And once you are complete, let's hop on over to the next training video.
Find these these are spam type groups that he's talking about, and that's totally fine. It's a process. It's something you're not going to do for the rest of your life, but there is a small amount of value to doing this. Say network marketers are your that is your target market, for example. And there's a lot of target marketers, network marketers, or affiliate marketers in those groups, right? So if you just post in 5 of those groups a day, there's this thing that if you're in there and you're friends with these other people, guess what happens? They get notified that you're posting, Well, that also will bring up this brand awareness, this thing of name and face of, hey, John Doe has actually posted 5 times. He's posted this content again. It's just bringing you back to the top of mind, and it does work. It's a great tool for that purpose. And so find those 10 groups. They're really, really good. And again, this 6. And again, if you're ready to get going, click that link down below in the comments. It's a $1 offer for a 30-day trial. And if you're ready to get going and you want to get bigger, that's fine. Go ahead and do that too. But anyway, I will see you on the next step number 7, and we will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day. Bye.